My name is Khalid. I came from a very far country, Qatar, which is totally different world. I came here 3 months ago and I was looking for a house. So lucky me, I met Tracy, and she was absolutely fascinating woman, and I gave her really hard time finding a house for me and my family, which is eventually she did, and I'm very satisfied with her. She went through with it with me, she showed me a lot of houses, and as I said, I gave her a hard time and she was absolutely happy with it. She was smiling throughout the time. She wasn't complaining, she wasn't even angry from me, although I was giving her a hard time all the time. So yeah, eventually I got the house, and after the house she did support me with everything with the house. You know, a guy like me coming from Middle East, he doesn't know anything, and she was really helpful, supportive. She went with me in details, really painful details, I believe for her and for me, but it was smooth and I was really happy and satisfied. If you want to buy a house, I would definitely recommend Tracy for you. She will be the best agent ever.